Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you two ways how you can reset your LG thermostat if you are looking for the complete reset. So the first thing is maybe you're just looking for the unlocking if you have like HL code there. So first thing that you can try to do is just press setback here one time to remove the setback, and then you want to press and hold for about 5 to 10 seconds the clock button here and OK clear button for about same time. So you're going to press both for about 10 seconds and maybe you're gonna unlock it if you unlocked it and you're looking for that. And if you want to reset, the one thing that I have for you is that I was looking for the answer here. What you can try to do is just like press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds. This is the first thing. And the second thing that you can try is you just want to like power it off through the circuit breaker. So just power it off through the circuit breaker for about 5 minutes and then turn on the circuit breaker, and then it should reset the LG thermostat. And I hope some of this is going to actually help you and fix the issue that you have. So thank you, have a great day, and goodbye.